Welcome people, freelance. Yeah man, we out here today. Go down on the river yeah. Get some water. Give a little tour of walk one. Sun just light on. Yeah man, so we are walk go down the river. Let's see if we can get some spring water. Fully buckle them. Yeah. So welcome again people to Freelance Jamaica TV. Yeah man, we out here without fear. Me alone there this morning, you know. Yeah man. Me alone there this morning. See the place there. Only for nature. Yeah people, right now we are going down a spring. Yeah, sun come out warm already. Can hear the river in the background over there, so yeah man, all the river there about the peeps. Down in the country. Yeah man, Freelance Jamaica TV, we out here without fear. So we are going down on the whole cool. See if we can catch some water. Go back up, cook some food and yeah, but not at the ordinary. Yeah, we're supposed to have some river adventure come up another week here, but I'm not sure how the weather stay yet, so yeah, we are way up on the weather. Yeah, I mean, if the weather good, then we can go do some cooking on the river, like for more families. But if not, so just after this. Well, hold it out right now, I walk go down the river, hold it for journey for cover, you know. Yeah, see it, hold it for journey for cover, that's where I come from. Hold it for journey. Mm-hmm. But either way, check in and stick and stay people. Yeah man, out here in the jungle today, you know. Cool, that is. Yeah people, so we almost reach you know. Where the sun come out, you know. Yeah, the sun come on. We almost reach you know. Can hear the river in that background. And if you can hear that, but if you not hear it, yeah, one river there over there, so one river there in the background, you know. Mm-hmm. Either way, we are walk go down here, so showing you some of my journey. Yeah man, yeah, the river there over there, so you can literally hear the river in the background. Yeah. Yeah. The people that go down the road, they say the road kind of busy now and way still. Either way you take it. We are going down a bridge still. Yeah. Just like giving a small tour, you know? Yeah man, I don't know so we are go. See if we can get some. See if we can get some spring water for cook. Nice spring water. The people if you're there, you're Jamaica, you want to check in. Or the overseas, or you want to come check in with it. Feel free. Yeah man. Can get some of them hike, you know. And some of them river tour too. Yeah man. Can get some of them hike and some of them nice river tour too with people. Some want to check in. See over there, sir. Yeah, you have a river, two side, the road there, so. Yeah, man, you have a river, two side, the road there, just so. River there, river bridge. You see a river there again. Yeah, man. So the river go all the way back, way down, so. Yeah. I'll be a rainforest this year, peeps. The river there again. Yeah. That's the river. Yeah, and this is a little road. Yeah, man, so you can either drive, walk, or you ride a bicycle. Yeah. Basically, I just pure nature there, so people. Exotic bird and them thing there. Yeah. Whole heap of bamboo tree too, you can use bamboo and make a whole heap of things. Basket. You know what I mean? Yeah. Look, man, look on the card. Yeah, I'm out to reach now, you know. Minutes away, me there. To be exact. Yeah. We have to, man. Bad, mother. So people, we are going down the river, you know. So people, we are going to get some water, you know. Down there so first. And then we go back up. But me, I going to bring you over there. Over there, so. Where is spring there, so they can, you know what I mean? See what I go on first. I'm sure now I go on there, so now. Yeah. Jaja. So, we get down in the river. Water push. Yeah, man, come like river come down. With the river, you know, so river with them. With the river, you know, we'll go over, go see what I go on. Yeah, so we're going to catch some water over there, so. So we'll go up and so we're going to pull the water, you know. See that? Nice spring water. Yeah. Like the people. I might so come get some nice spring water down there. So today, so water you have to drink, you see? Yeah. Most people come and come get some water to drink. Or them water to bathe. So we can get it full. The spring there. That come from all the way around this one. Water cold, eh? And cool. Nice. Water pressure heavy. Solid. Yeah, man, water cool on. So this is from a wash cook. Yeah, cooking water there. What do you come up here and drop, you know? Yeah. And then we come up here and drop to blood clean. You couldn't believe. say, I'll drop for there. I'll come out here. So, the river there. River by all the way back down there. So, I think some water still before I go up. Yeah. Yeah, please. Water there. Clean. Crystal clear. Yeah man, the water ever cold. I have a whole heap of fern around the same way. Natural oasis, you know. Yeah man, so people, water it, you know. You know. So we can go back up the road and now. A far journey me have to walk, you know. Yeah, but my son and my cousin not just washing bus. So probably might be we can get a little drive to go up. Yeah, so I'm going to tell them. Alright people, so stick and see when we go across the river though. So peeps, we gotta go back up the road now. Yeah man. Just full of water, yeah. Come for over the spring. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm going to go up here now. I'm going to go up the road, yeah? Show them where I go. Yeah. The sun, yeah? Sun come out already, you know? So I go over there, so. Go up the road and yeah man, nice spring water, you know. Go up the road, you know, fam. Ah, go on. No, so have a little distance so I go, you know. Yeah man. Yeah, Rasta. Have a little distance so I go. Have to take on the road. Either way you take it. You see it? Yeah. Welcome to the daily life of freelance Jamaica TV people. Yeah man. We just come get some water. Go cook. Now we are heading back. Something for drink, something for cook. Yeah. Out here without fear. Me alone there today, of course, man, for sure. But we're active. Alright, people. We didn't even reach our 5 journey, so I'm tired, you know. Yeah, man. Not even reach our 5 journey. I'm tired. I come about 3 chain down the road. Still have up the road for go. Can hear the river. Here in nature, you know? pay nature people. You know you could, you see me? Yeah. Still have about 1 mile. About a mile. Still have about a mile and a half to go before me reach home. I not so far. You hear me a blow? Tired. Because man, the other day I felt me today, I'm alone, you know. Me alone there out in the jungle today. The people that up on the entire vlog them, you know. Yeah man, I want to continue supporting freelance Jamaica TV and some of the best vlog them though. Yes no man. Yeah man. Remember we have the merch then. Yeah man, get the merch from freelance Jamaica TV because it's good. Yeah. So when they I take a 5, some more water jug. Bring water and we're catching it. Yeah man. So we out here without fear peeps. Still have about 2 next mile to go up the road there. So the walking not done yet. Because me didn't reach a big boy side yet. Yeah. Why me I tell you we tired of fall. Them exercise are good for you know people. Yeah, I was if you no overweight, want to get some lose some burn some calorie, lose some fat. Yeah man, we have some epic hills. See that? The area and forest. Yeah, listen to all the good old river. So people never move on you know. So check in with me to come over, we stop up the road there again though. Yeah man, that is it.